Local news for Thursday, the 19th of July. The Wings Over Wairarapa Air Festival 2019 are working on having a large on-the-ground zone where exhibitions, presentations on stage, Q&A sessions, workshops, interactive competitions and demonstrations on all things aviation-related are showcased. Wings Exhibition Manager Chris Tracy says this new development to the Air Festival adds yet another layer to the event. She says this is a Wairarapa event and we want our locals showcased. June was a busy month in real estate in the region, 20 properties selling in Carterton, 29 in South Wairarapa, that's up 5 from the previous month of May, and 48 in Masterton, that was down 9 from the previous month. And in sport, Paddy Rimini and some of the Wairarapa Wakaama Canoe Club are away at the World Champs in Tahiti. The competition begins today with the elite men and women, as well as the para men and women, and we certainly wish them all the best of luck. For more FM local news on Wairarapa TV, I'm Brent Gare.